Welcome to this 7.1 surround sound test. In this video, we'll test each of your 7 speakers, plus the subwoofer, to make sure your audio system is set up correctly. If you're using a home theater system, gaming headset, or PC speakers, please make sure your device is set to 7.1 output for the most accurate results. Now let's begin. This is the front left channel. You should hear this sound only from your front left speaker. This is the front right channel. You should hear this sound only from your front right speaker. This is the center channel, often used for dialogue. You should hear this sound only from your center speaker. This is the subwoofer channel. You should hear a deep bass tone from your subwoofer. This is the surround left channel. You should hear this sound only from your left surround speaker. This is the surround right channel. You should hear this sound only from your right surround speaker. This is the rear surround left channel. You should hear this sound only from your rear left speaker. This is the rear surround right channel. You should hear this sound only from your rear right speaker. Now let's test the surround effect. You'll hear a sound move in a circle around you. Focus on whether the transitions feel smooth and natural. Now one faster rotation. Next, let's test immersion. Listen carefully as environmental sounds fill your room from all directions. You should feel surrounded by sound, as if you're inside the environment itself. To finish, here's a subwoofer rumble test. Notice how your system handles the deep bass tones as they sweep from higher frequencies down to very low. This concludes the 7.1 surround sound test. If any channels didn't sound correct, check your speaker connections and audio settings. Thank you for watching. For more calibration and test videos, don't forget to subscribe.